Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by opening Settings and confirming System State before changing the taskbar. Click Start, type Settings, and press Enter to open Windows Settings. Once there, go to Personalization, then Taskbar to expose taskbar options. Make sure your account has admin rights for some settings to apply instantly. If your taskbar is locked or using tablet mode, turn those off. Next, select Taskbar Behaviors to reveal size-related controls. This is where you begin shrinking icons and padding. Also note which UI changes require sign out. Now adjust visual density by changing icon size and grouping. In Taskbar Behaviors, use the drop-down for taskbar alignment and see options that affect spacing. Pick left or center based on preference. For finer control, open Registry Editor, reject it, only if comfortable. Navigate to HKey current user /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /Explorer /advanced and change taskbar small entries to 1 to enable smaller icons. Back up the key before editing. Finalize by reevaluating icon scale and taskbar padding for comfort. Open Display Settings and adjust scale and resolution if icons still look too large. 100% scale tightens layout. Then, right-click the taskbar and toggle any overflow or widget settings that add space. Disable unused elements to compact it further. After making changes, restart Explorer or reboot to ensure persistence. Troubleshooting tip: if icons vanish or layout glitches, restore your registry backup and run sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.